Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Man, when I got the news yesterday that I have to go to jury duty, oh my god, I about shit myself. That was some great news. I was happy about that. But good morning, good afternoon, guys. How you guys doing? Good? Bad? Fantastic? Amazing? I'll hold off. I'll hold off on shorts for now, just to see if we do get that displacement back up. So bullish for now. Bullish for now, but if we end up getting a short opportunity, we're gonna look to take it here. Right there. I'm gonna take an entry long, guys, in this 30-second gap. Boom. Entered one contract long right there. Stops at the low. Okay, it's not bad. Only 17 points. I'm not gonna add to this. I'm just gonna keep it. One stab here. Let's see if we can catch the bottom of this bitch. Not looking good at all. But reasons for the trade, looked like we were forming a breaker here. I like this gap on the 30-second. And we're in the macro, so wanted to play it. I would be open to adding to it like another contract if we can get back in profit here and start displacing higher. Then again, this is 53 points up to that high. Let's see. Want to see it get back above there. Reclaim that gap. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped though. Stop hits. Minus 340. All good. We'll reset and we'll wait. Like I said, under leverage before you over leverage. And then worry about taking setups that you like. Good setups. Right? That make sense, have logic behind them. So, you know, like I'm open because my loss was so small there. Like, you know what? If I took a couple losses doing that, I'd still be down 0.5% or less. Right? And, you know, it's a little emotional when you take a couple losses like that, but it's doable to get it back. I want to see how this gap plays, guys. So if this holds and looks like it's going to respect, I do want to get in long. Okay? Play the inverse. One more time, okay? Just giving it a chance to see if it ain't just going to rip right through it. Jesus Christ. Of course, you would close like that. Come back. Come back, fucker. Sorry, excuse my language. Literally, I wanted to wait 3 seconds to see a candle close. You just do that. Probably should have just entered right away. It's all good. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Why don't you guys tell me to enter? I thought you guys had my back. The way you guys be sniping these perfect entries all the time. Jeez. Get down there. Come on. I'm going to get one on now, guys. I'm going to do it now. The reason for it is because I'm looking at ES, and I'm seeing it hit the 1 minute gap here. And I'm seeing it hit this structure. So that's what I'm seeing. My stop's going to go right. The logic behind my stop placement right now is below this gap, yes, but also below this order block. So it's 20 points, still about the same stop loss size. Just kind of trimming it a little bit. Ooh. That 15-minute fair value gap is super close. But hey, this is how it goes sometimes, guys. I'm saying that just because it's probably in our best interest to go risk-free above that. And if it comes back down, gets me out of break even, comes back down to here, holds it, I'll get back in. But just in the off chance it hits this 15-minute bearish gap, sends it lower to this daily fair value gap, I don't want to be taking a loss. Unfortunately, taking a loss unnecessarily. We've now tapped off our entry a good 3 times. I guess technically you could say there you go. Just hit the 15-minute gap, guys. Good to remove risk, just only because we're hitting a 15-minute bearish gap and we've been bearish all morning, so. And we still got a big sell side target that could get hit, so just gonna cover our ass. Don't want to take a loss if we're not ready to go up yet, so. But hopefully we can watch this thing tank and we'll avoid a loss. But I'm gonna be mindful. I gotta stop the break even, by the way. I'm gonna be mindful of these gaps right down here though. There's a big 2-minute bullish gap. If we're gonna hold this and push back out of it, I'm gonna get long again. Oh, I should have known we were gonna come to the entry 4 times. Silly me. Yeah, guys, I like what I'm seeing on the 30 seconds. enough, I feel, to get in long again if we get a pullback. Can we get a pullback? You want to pull back for us? It'd be cool if you did. You know what I mean? We might want to change our entry, guys. Move it up to here. I'm going to do like, I'm eyeballing consequent encroachment of this next gap. And this structure right here. See that? And then also you got this inverse you could drag across, so. But come on, give us something here. Don't do anything. Don't do anything you're going to regret later. Get a little bit down in there. Come on, a little bit lower. A little bit lower for me. Yes? All right. Ooh, nice. Got a decent fill there. I'm in, guys. I'm in. Yeah, right now stop is basically including this order block and these gaps. Nice. Okay. Man. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Obviously this would be an area to keep our eye on, but at this point, the rate things have been going, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hold it until we get to like these highs before I remove risk at this point. Let's see. But yeah, I'm risking on this trade 405. So again, if it loses, I could be 0-2 today and be down less than 0.5%. And I understand that makes the reward a little bit less, but again, this is how I pass both these other combines. It's not trying to pass it all at once. It's not trying to do anything crazy. It's just literally stacking. Like, you don't even need to make 1%. You can make 1,000, but like if you made it, you need 9 days of making $1,000 on a 150K account you pass. Doesn't sound like a lot when you put it like that, right? Like, and you didn't make 1% a single day, right? So I don't know. This is how I like to look at it. I'll try to run this thing up. We'll see. Since I only got one contract, obviously partially is not an option. I will have my eye on this level. I like the high. It's also lined up with a 15-minute consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. At that point, for sure, risk-free once we get up here. And we'll just hope to see follow-through through that. It's not the, it's not about the size that matters. It's how you use it. At least that's what my uncle said. And his hurt. That what who say? You heard me. Oh, you heard me. Risk-free, guys. Risk-free. If this candle comes back and closes, I'm just going to get out. If it closes below. Yeah, just come eat up all my profits first. That'd be perfect, actually. That'd be sick, actually. That'd actually really be cool if you did that, to be honest. Oh, all right, guys. I'm gonna close it right there. I just didn't like that close. Probably watch it just go anyway, but that's the thing. 1.8R. So I made a 0.5%. I lost a little bit less than 0.5% on the first trade. So I'm up like 1/4% on the day so far. Obviously, you could still be holding if you wanted, but hopefully, looking at the price action of the candles makes sense why I did what I did. Hell yeah. Well, all right, guys. We'll call it there, and I'll talk to you guys in the Discord. If nothing else, if we don't take any more trades today, then obviously we're going to be still trading tomorrow morning. We've got 2 more days left. I don't got to serve jury duty. So you could say ROCK in the USA. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your day, everybody. I'll talk to you guys in the Discord later. Peace out, guys.